But when I done they do Panana, when I do school that time, my parents they look say, hey, this boy sha. And they've been feel say after a while I go drop the Panana, come face, but as it be.
Come face proper engineering.
Yes, but as it be. Now here we deal with the Panana all over the world. Man.
Yes, all over the world. This man they tour everywhere. The last time when I call him, he in Dubai. The last time he did UK. And your own trip, they do 2 days, 3 days. You don't
just
come
Panana
back.
come back now. Just Panana come.
Then this Panana and I can't here. They waste my time every day.
No, make we no start to.
No, leave that in. Leave that in.
Make we respect ourselves.
Okay, yeah, leave that in. So. But then, how many years now you done they do this Panana walk now?
About 17 years now. 17 years.
17?
Yes.
Your first album now when?
2012. But before the first album, of course, we done the Panana for different places.
Yes.
Yeah, for other people, So, yeah.
You actually learn to blow sax? You learn them?
I learned them for school.
Oh,
when I did secondary school, yeah.
Oh, now that time you learn them. And you drop them since that time.
All this as they play national anthem for school every morning. And assembly, devotion, all those things. Now, so it start to.
Oh. All right, ladies and gentlemen, Beejay Sax good day on Top Praise Jam. April 16, 9 they happen. And then in the live and direct to one of the people we go minister that particular day. And then they promise you say make you no miss them at all. Because people need to come see you. People need to come hear what they do.
And as they come, nowhere high you come because we go dance, we go jump,
we go dance,
we go groove,
we go dance, we go jump,
we go shout.
So you must get energy.
Yes,
you must get energy.
Yes,
so don't forget Easter Monday, April 18th. Now be April 18th. Now be Beejay Sax go day there with other anointed people them. But then before you waka come out, I get just one more minute. How you dey fit take cope? Because it can be like say gospel music, they completely different from secular. How not they fit take? Because now the same market you they go.
Yes, sir.
I know say people go to tell you that thing. Are you not doing it for God? Then go to tell you those kind of words. Are you not doing it for God? Why are you charging money?
We guys balance things,
Because you they go the same market with every other person.
This thing what we do now, we use take feed our family.
Yes.
Now we use take chop. As we talk earlier, na engineer bill, drop engineer, they blow banana. So balance. People will really appreciate talent. We God don't give person. They appreciate them, they drop.
Then they pay for them.
They pay. People will not appreciate. They go those kind of places.
They go those kind of places. Yes, that's the best thing.
What they do now? People will appreciate us now. We they run.
Yes, sir. Now people will appreciate.
Like yo.
Go sit down. Okay. Thank you so much, Beejay Sax. Make not to waste your time. Thank you so much. So you stop by the studio, and then we will definitely see you on the 18th of April. Thank you so much. All right, to make no go anywhere. I need to just quickly pick up some things then for shade. So make you not touch that.